Good morning to all. Welcome to math class. Today we can discuss about a new chapter, rational numbers. Previous class we can learn about natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers. Then whole numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Integers are both positive and negative numbers include 0 is called integers. In this chapter, what is rational number? Rational number is in the form of P by Q. P and Q not equal 0 are integers. It is called rational numbers. Rational numbers, it is in the form of P by Q. Okay, but Q not equal 0. Rational numbers is in the form of P by Q, but Q not equal 0. Q not equal 0. Okay. Examples of rational numbers is 2 by 3, 5 by 10, like that. It is examples of rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers. Then rational numbers can be converted into two: positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. Positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. Positive rational number. A rational number whose numerator and denominator both are positive integers. Both are positive integers is called positive rational number. Positive rational number. Positive rational numbers. That means the numerator and denominator are positive. It is in the form of P by Q. Both are positive. Example 5 by 4, 9 by 8, like that. It is positive rational numbers. Okay. Examples are 5 by 4, 9 by 8, like that. Okay. Then another one is negative rational numbers. Negative rational numbers. Negative rational numbers. Then in negative rational numbers, a rational number whose numerator and denominator, the numerator is negative. Numerator is negative. That means minus 4 by 5, minus 9 by 8, like that. Sometimes the negative is in the denominator. That is also negative rational number. Okay. Sometimes it is in the question 8 by negative 16, like that. It is examples of negative rational numbers. Clear? Okay. Then another one is rational numbers on a number line. Rational numbers on the on the number line. Rational numbers on the number line. Rational numbers on the number line. Question. Mark minus 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2 on the number line. Okay. This one is negative. First one. This one 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. This side is negative. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Like that. Question is minus negative 5 by 2. Negative 5 by 2 means what is 5 divided by 2? 5 divided by 2. This is the form of, we get the answer is in the decimal. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. This one is negative. Negative 2.5. Negative 2.5 means this one is negative. This center. That is minus 5 by 2. Okay. Okay. Then another one is minus 7 by 2. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. This one is negative. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. 3.5 lies between minus 3 and minus 4. That means it is in the form of center. That is minus 7 by 2. Minus 7 by 2. Clear? The question is mark the rational numbers, the negative rational numbers or positive rational numbers on the number line. Clear? Okay. Then another one is rational numbers in standard form. Rational numbers in the standard form. That means standard form or simplest form. Both are same. Rational numbers in the standard form. Question is minus 3 by 6. Minus 3 by 6. Question is in the form of standard form or simplest form. Both are same. Reduce into the simplest form of standard form. In minus 3 by 6, which number is common? In 3 and 6, which number is common divisible? 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Yes, 3 is common divisible. That is minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 by 6 divided by 3 is 2. The result is minus 1 upon 2 or minus 1 by 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2. Clear? Okay. Then another example is minus 18 upon 45. Minus 18 upon 45. In 18 and 45, which number is common divisible? In 18 and 45, which number is easily divided? Yes, 2. In both 18 and 45, which number is common divided? Yes, that is 3. That is, they put the sign negative. Don't forget negative. 18 divided by 3 is 6 upon 45 divided by 3. 45 divided by 3 is, yes, 45 divided by 3 is 15. 15 into 3 is 45. Then which number? Which number? In 6 and 15, which number is common divisible? Yes, 3. Don't forget the minus. Minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 upon 15 divided by 3, that is 5. That is minus 2 by 5. That is negative 2 by 5. Okay, clear? Clear? Okay. Then another question is, "12 divided 18. 12 divided 18. Question is, convert into the standard form. Which number is common? 12 and 18. Yes. First we convert the lowest number. We take the lowest number, that is 2. 2. 12 divided 2, that is 12 divided 2, that is, yes, 6 upon 18 divided by 2, that is 9. 6 by 9. Then again we convert. Which number is common in 6 and 9? 2? No, that is 3. That means divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 upon 9 divided by 3 is 3. That is 2 upon 3. Clear? That is 2 by 3. Okay. Clear? 2 by 3. Clear? Okay. Then another question is, minus 25 by 50. Minus 25 by 50. Which number is common divisible? 25 and 50. Yes. Which number? 5. 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5 upon 50 divided by 5 is 10. Here. Then again we converted into the lowest. In 5 and 10, which number is common divisible? Yes, 5. 5, that means, don't forget the sign, negative, negative. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 upon 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay. Clear? It is the convert into the standard form or reducible form. Okay. Clear? Okay. Then another side heading is comparison of rational numbers. Comparison of rational numbers. Comparison of rational numbers. Question is, minus 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. Comparison of rational numbers. Okay. Compare. which number is greater. That means it is comparison. Okay. In this type of question, we find the LCM. LCM of 4 and 3. We find the LCM of 4 and 3. That means LCM equal. There is no common number is divisible. Okay. We take 4 into 3 is 12. Other cases you find the LCM. Okay. So 4 into 3 is 12. Then we put the negative sign, negative. We write 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into LCM is 12. LCM is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 12 divided by 4 is yes 3. 3 multiplied by numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. The LCM is 12. 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 multiplied by numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. That is minus 3 into 3 is 9. 9 upon 4 into 3 is 12. Okay. Then another one is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into LCM is 12. This one is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into LCM is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 multiplied numerator and denominator. That is 2 into 4 8. 8 upon 12. 8 upon 2. Okay. 8 upon 2. Then combine. This one is positive and this one is negative. Which number is greater in case of 8 upon 12 and minus 9 by 12? Which number is greater? Yes. 8 by 12 is greater than minus 9 by 12. Okay. Sometimes the question is in the form of negative. Okay. We find the LCM. Suppose in the case of negative numbers, two negative numbers, we find the LCM, and the smallest negative number is greater. Previous class we learned. Okay. Clear. Okay. In this chapter, we can discuss about the definition of rational numbers, positive and negative rational numbers, rational numbers converted into the simplest form, then or standard form, mark the rational numbers on the number line, and the comparison of rational numbers. Okay. If you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay. Clear? Okay. Then thank you for listening. Have a great day.